Digital Life Skills presented by Arvig. Today we're going to talk about smart gadgets for smart health. We would like to help you find one tool that makes your life easier. Why use a smart gadget? Smart gadgets can provide peace of mind. They have fall detection and emergency alerts. For motivation, you can see your steps and activity. You can show your doctor real data about your sleep or heart rate, and they provide independence. These tools can help you stay in your home longer. The first gadget is the fitness tracker. The fitness tracker counts steps, tells time, monitors heart rate. There are many different options, such as the Fitbit Inspire 3 or the Samsung Galaxy Fit 3. The smart scale. The smart scale sends your weight to your phone automatically. It tracks bone density, muscle, and water rate, and there's no more looking down at the floor and writing your weight numbers in a notebook. The smartwatch provides fall detection. The watch senses a hard fall and can call for help. Heart alerts that notify you if your heart rate is unusually high or low, and GPS that helps family find you if you get lost on a walk. Once you find the smart gadget that is right for you, you will download an app onto your phone. Your phone is the brain where the information lives. There are different icons on the app, such as the heart that will reflect your heart rate, the shoe that will track your steps, and the moon, which shows your sleep. You can check this app periodically throughout the day. There are a wide range of smart devices to choose from, ranging from budget-friendly to very expensive. Please ask your family, friends, or doctor for recommendations. Most devices have a battery that need charging once a week. They are private with your information for you and your doctor, and the app can be modified to make the text larger on your screen. Next steps. Once you find the device, ask a family member or librarian to help you with the initial pairing to your iPhone. Start by watching one goal per week and check with your insurance company, as some providers offer these gadgets for free. Thank you, and if you have any questions, email marketing@arvig.com.